Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all of the latest and hottest news happening in and around the crypto space. For today's top stories, experts analyze when Ripple lawsuit will end and how high XRP could go. XRP's moving average is dispersing, and what does that mean for the digital asset? Exec states SEC case almost had no impact on Ripple's talks with central banks. Crypto.com registers in the Netherlands and cleared to advertise its services. Solana wants to lead crypto gaming charge and explains how they will do it. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest news relevant to the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos for crypto traders and investors to have a more comprehensive look at the market performances of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and trending altcoins. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. Hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos, so you don't miss out on the latest news and market reports. If you know someone who can benefit from the information we give in our videos, click on the share button to send this video to your friends. Also, let us know what you think by leaving a comment. Now, let's move on and discuss the latest headlines. Now, we'll bring you an exclusive report on an issue that's been gaining great attention. Although Ripple Labs has scored a monumental victory in the crypto firm's legal standoff with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, the entire crypto community is still awaiting the final judgment before it can move away from the lawsuit. Recently, Judge Analisa Torres ruled that the XRP token was not a security. The crypto community was pleased with the decision, which had significant implications. In the last couple of weeks, XRP has seen unprecedented price surges. The court also found that Ripple Labs did not violate federal securities law by selling its XRP token to retail investors on public cryptocurrency exchanges. However, the SEC did score a partial win for itself when the judge ruled that the XRP sales to sophisticated investors did, in fact, constitute securities sales. The SEC is expected to appeal the decision, but it would take months for the appeal to reach the court. According to analysts, one potential outcome of the final judgment is that both parties reach an agreement and settle the case. In a different scenario, where both parties fail to reach a settlement, the case could go to trial. Depending on the court's decision, both parties can appeal the case. Legal experts still stand divided on the regulator's next course of action. The SEC may appeal Judge Torres's decision and try to reverse the conclusion that XRP is not a security or settle with Ripple and turn to a different front. If the SEC pursues an appeal under the direction of SEC Chief Gary Gensler, it could suffer an even worse loss. Ripple could drag the initial appeal out until the next presidential election or even beyond, and Gensler would likely be gone. Should the regulatory watchdog realize that the appeal is not worth its efforts, it might decide to settle with XRP. In this case, the XRP community could put the whole ordeal behind them sooner. Either way, Ripple Labs and XRP will get a favorable outcome. Experts say that whatever the regulatory body does, XRP will likely see an increase in its price, like what happened after Judge Torres's decision. At the moment, XRP is trading at a price of $0.714, indicating an increase of 0.21% in the last 24 hours. However, the current price also indicates a 7.77% decline over the previous 7 days. Google's AI tool, Bard, has listed several potential price predictions for XRP after Ripple's legal triumph. According to Bard, XRP may reach an average price of $1.30 by the end of 2023. However, it also has conservative predictions of 47 cents or 71 cents by the year's end. Another crypto analyst known as CoinsKid shared an opinion that XRP could hit $6 by the end of 2023. The accuracy of the predictions will greatly depend on macroeconomic factors as well as the resolution of the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. In related news, market experts have found an interesting development underway for Ripple's XRP. The digital asset's moving averages are showing signs of dispersion. According to reports, this development often has critical implications for price trends. The key moving averages in focus here are the 21, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. In technical analysis, the moving average, a lagging indicator, gives a smoother line to daily price changes, reducing noise from random price fluctuations. If these moving averages disperse or move apart from each other, it implies a change in the market's trend or volatility. At the moment, the moving averages for XRP are diverging from one another. This suggests that the digital currency is entering a phase of lower volatility. This dispersion comes on the heels of a sharp decline in value, with XRP shedding 14% from its most recent peak. The downward movement and the inevitable flatlining of the trend follow a noteworthy surge in the value of XRP. The victory in court by Ripple Labs over the US SEC was what started this. Due to the positive legal outcome, investor confidence surged, resulting in a substantial increase in XRP's price. However, the post-victory euphoria seems to have subsided, and XRP has gradually given back some of its gains. In other news, a senior executive stated that the SEC case had almost no impact on Ripple's talks with central banks. Ripple VP of Central Bank Engagement and CBDC's James Wallace also stated that the firm's sale of XRP did not constitute investment contracts and was a major victory, not just for Ripple but also for the entire crypto industry. Ripple's long legal saga with the SEC started in 2020. Despite the long duration of the case, this did not have any detrimental effect on Ripple's ability to get conversations and projects going with central banks. Wallace added that they've had no countries say that they didn't want to talk to them because of the lawsuit. The most recent project saw Ripple Labs collaborate with Palau on a US dollar-pegged stablecoin that runs on the XRP ledger. Next, we have Crypto.com getting its registration in the Netherlands. The registration also allows the company to advertise their services in the country. Crypto exchange Crypto.com recently received the green light from De Nederlandsche Bank to offer services in the country. It is the latest crypto firm to get the green light from the Dutch central bank to offer its services in the country. Crypto.com also announced that it had registered as a cryptocurrency service provider with De Nederlandsche Bank following a comprehensive review of Crypto.com's business and compliance with the country's anti-money laundering and counter-financing of terrorism requirements. A total of 36 cryptocurrency-related businesses are currently registered with the Dutch central bank. This includes Coinbase Europe, eToro, and Bitstamp. DNB press officer Tobias Udegens clarified that the registration specifically allows cryptocurrency service providers to supply crypto wallets to customers and process fiat currency on crypto exchanges. Crypto.com's services were accessible in the Netherlands before the registration announcement. Udegens stated that Dutch-based users are legally allowed to sign up for a service. However, a company without registration would be acting illegally if it solicited or advertised its services to Dutch users. Recently, Binance announced that it would give up efforts to register as a cryptocurrency service provider in the Netherlands and will cease its operations in the jurisdiction after the company failed to get approval from the DNB. To wrap things up, we have the Solana Foundation wanting to lead the crypto gaming charge and how they'll do it. At the PlayGG event, the Solana Foundation shared its strategy for changing the rough narrative around blockchain games. While naysayers continue to call NFTs and the associated blockchain games as cash grab schemes, the Solana Foundation intends to flip the script and change the narrative. The crypto firm made a public push last week with its PlayGG event held in San Diego. According to Solana Games general manager Johnny Lee, the reception and the excitement from both the attendees and the developer community have been amazing. The event also spotlighted a variety of games built on Solana. Lee added that the Solana Foundation hoped that the free two-day event would entice investors, the local media, and local San Diego families to experience blockchain gaming in a way that didn't emphasize crypto or NFTs. The event included games such as Aurori, Star Atlas, and Alchemy, Battle for Ankos. It also featured professional gamers from the G2 esports team. The Web3-related event emphasized that PlayGG isn't strictly a Web3 event. It's an event where people can experience blockchain games, and its focus is not on NFT. Realizing that NFT is often a dirty word among members of the gaming community, many developers are now distancing themselves from the term. Instead, they are calling them digital collectibles. Unlike blockchain games of the past, the games featured in the event did not push NFTs or token rewards. Many of the games featured did not even require any form of payment or cryptocurrency to play. So far, the reception has been mostly positive, and Solana hopes to gain more support from the gaming community. Solana wants to support games that have promise. Lee stated that game developers needed to present a build of the game first and let his team play it. These are all the latest news items we have for you today. Don't forget to watch our daily market report videos. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching.